All right, in this video, we're going to cover how to find the number of elements in a Python list. So the too long didn't read answer is use len for length. So here we have a list of items. You just do len, pass in items. It comes back with 4, which is the number of items in the list. So let's look under the hood. It uses dunder len to provide it, so you can write your own for your own classes if you want to do something special. So right here, I've got bananas. I pass in the weight of the bananas when I get them, when I create them, and then I'm going to tell you how many bananas that weight represents. And so in my _len dunder len, I'm going to divide the weight by 0.4. Now it has to return an integer. So if I didn't cast this to an int, then it would throw an error if I returned a float. And so here I get 7 pounds of bananas, and it turns out that's 17 total bananas in all. So that's a look under the hood. Hope you learned something here. Smash the like button down so I can help more people by building an audience. Subscribe to this channel if you hadn't already, and I'll see you in the next one.